back. Hope you're doing well. If you're new to my channel, my name is Tarji B, aka Designer Mom. So in this video, we're doing another weekly reset routine. So I'm going to do a couple of things that are on my to-do list, which is to clean my couch cushions. I'm going to take off the covers, wash them, put them back. I like to do that every couple of months to keep my sofa smelling good and looking good. I've had my couch for maybe about 7 or 8 years, so she has lasted a pretty long time, which I love. It was a sectional, but then I broke it up because it was too big for the space. I'm also going to clean my balcony, so those are the items that are on my to-do list in this video. So let's start. This diffuser, it is so airy, and then I use this aromatherapy de-stress essential oil. It smells so good. If you want a stress-free home, I highly recommend a diffuser. You turn it on and it just gives you this zen feel in your home, and it smells so good. I think I use this all through the day. It just gives me a nice calm and relaxing feeling in my home, which I love. I like my home to be stress-free and very zen-like. So I highly recommend this. If you want this exact same diffuser, it's linked in my bio. You can get it on my Amazon storefront, but I highly recommend this, or any diffuser. Everyone should have a diffuser in your home. It's pretty relaxing and I highly recommend it.
Of course we keep on going, though everybody know it. The truth about our way we tied it loosens up, I'm sorry. Be cool, go on and fake it. We still know we will break it. We make the same mistakes we always made, and now let's face it.
So I've worked up the courage to move the plant pots around my balcony. So of course I found a couple of frogs living in there. I hate frogs. So the whole idea is to declutter around my balcony, but I'm trying to get them to find somewhere else to live because I don't want them living on my balcony. I want to enjoy my space. Hopefully by tomorrow, they're gone. So I'm gonna leave them there for now.